Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today we are going to understand why you are unable to manifest what you want in your life. Why you are facing so many difficulties to manage what you want in your life. There are many people in the world. They try to manifest things with the help of law of attraction. However, they forgot what is the basic law of attraction. Here, we really need to understand how law of attraction works. So, without further delay, just start and know why you guys are getting failed in manifesting your things in your life with the help of law of attraction. First, you need to understand here is when you are using law of attraction in your life, you need to go with belief, harder trust over yourself and universe as well. We have greater power inside us. Universe is blessed us with a greater power, and that is called as a subconscious mind. That is called as our soul. There is divine energy and divine bright light within us. We just need to understand how to deal with it or how to use it. How can you achieve your desire, your intention or goals with using this power? While you are processing your manifestation process, you just need to understand few things here. Answer all the questions which I am going to ask you. You are never going to get fail again. First thing, are you really feeling calm? Is there a peace in your mind? Do you know that? What is your right intention or your desire? Are you really feeling excited or happy about your intention or your desire? Is this real thing which you want to manifest in your life? What kind of person you become once you will achieve all those things in your life? What will be the feeling after achieving your manifestation or your desire? Is it going to impact you positively? Is it going to impact you or your family members or this universe positively? If you have a patience, then only go with manifestation process. Then only law of attraction is going to work for you. Then only universe is able to help you. Then only you are able to manifest what you want in your life with the help of universal power. Now, here I will give you some do's and don'ts while doing your manifestation process. First, we will start with do's, positive ones. First, you need to decide your intention, your desire. Here, you need to keep in mind that you will work only on that desire which will give you happiness. You are feeling excited about that desire. Just choose that desire. Second, you really need to feel positive about your desire. You need to feel that desire. You need to think, imagine or visualize that you have already manifested your desire or your intention. Just try to feel that happiness around you as you have already manifested that desire and that thing is in your life. It is there in reality in your life and you are enjoying that experience of your desire. By doing this, you are showing your trust to universe that you have a belief on your desire. You have a belief on your universe. You have a belief on your manifestation process. You have a belief on yourself. Third thing is, let it go. Yes, I'm not joking and I'm not kidding. You really need to let it go your desire. Don't think about your desire. Just let it go. Universe will handle your desire. Nothing to do with your desire. Your job is think about your desire. Visualize your desire. Feel your desires. Feel emotion of your desire. And just let it go. Universe will do job for you. Universe will plan all the circumstances in your favor to manifest that thing in your life, in your reality. You just need to have a belief, trust towards universe, towards manifestation. Now, understand this thing. Why I am telling you, let go your desire. Because you have something in your life already. Then you will not think about that thing over and over again. That is the key element. And most of the people forget about that. If you are already having something in your life, you know it is there and no need to be worried about it. It is not going anywhere. Then you will not think about that thing all the time. You will let it go. That is the key. That is the formula you need to apply here while doing your manifestation process. You just need to understand these 3 basic simple steps while doing your manifestation process. It will work for any manifestation process which you follow in your life. You just need to understand these 3 basic simple steps while doing your manifestation process. After that, law of attraction will help you. It will attract things 10 times higher or 10 times faster in your life. Now, I want you to understand don'ts. First, you need to feel happiness. You will not feel any angry, any negative emotion inside your mind. Don't feel anxiety. Don't feel fear about your manifestation process. It is very much important. You don't need to allow negative energy inside your mind or in your body. It is very much important. Else, your manifestation process won't work. Second, you need to write your affirmation, your manifestation process in the present tense only. Do not write your manifestation in a future tense, as it will come in your future or it will become your future and you have to wait till divine time. And you are not sure when that divine time will come in your life. That is the reason, and this is the very important thing you really need to understand here. Listen to me very carefully. As you really need to understand this, you need to feel your desire in present tense. If you are writing it down, write it in a present tense. If you are visualizing your desire, then visualize that your desire is in reality. You are already working on it. You are already experiencing it. If you are manifesting car, then feel you are driving that car. If you are manifesting your dream house, then feel like you are already living in that house. If you are manifesting your dream job, then feel like you are already getting that much salary in your account. That is the key element. Don't forget that. And third, this is pretty much important. Please listen to me carefully. You are not going to attract any bad thing. You are not going to attract any bad thing by manifestation process. You are allowed to attract only good things, only positive energy with manifestation process. If you will work on negative energy to attract them in your life, they will come with big negative impact and chaos. Your life will change ups and downs like an hell. So, request you not to go with manifestation process on negative things. Request you not to manifest anything which is completely bad. We all are human beings. We all need love. All human beings needs happiness. So request you on whatever you are going to manifest, just manifest it with love and the gratitude. They are working as a magic for any manifestation process. Until and unless you feel gratitude, you feel love, you feel peace in your mind and in your body, you cannot manifest anything. Your mind needs to become fulfilled with love. You need to have trust on yourself and universe as well. And then your universe will say, your wish is on my command. Hopefully, you understood my message. Clearly, you are able to manifest anything. If you are not focused, then you are not allowed to do manifestation, or you are not allowed to manifest anything. Just keep in mind, if you are not focused, surely you will get failed in manifestation process. If you don't have a belief, surely you will get failed in manifestation process. If you don't have a belief towards universe, surely you will get failed in the manifestation process. If you don't have a belief on your manifestation, you will face failure. If you don't have a trust on your intuition, you don't feel happy about your desire, your manifestation process won't work for you. These are the things, these are the key elements which you are really need to understand if you are manifesting something. Believe me guys, I have manifested many things in my life. So, you can also do that. But for that, you really need to learn about how to be positive all the time, how to be happy all the time, how to trust yourself and universe, and all things will gradually come in your hand. Have a good day.